Hi Fit Fam, welcome back to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 19 of our Fit Body Challenge. Just make sure that as usual you continue marching in squat with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. Today we are going to be working on toning the entire body, toning and strengthening with dumbbell exercises. So make sure you have a pair or two of dumbbells. I do have a lighter one, which is 1.5 kilograms or 3.3 pounds, and the heavier one is 3 kilograms or 6.6 pounds, whichever your body can handle or whatever feels challenging for you. Make sure that you are hydrated and energized for this workout. I do have my protein shake over there, so make sure you also take a protein within 1 hour after doing this workout. So you're going to get down safely by bending your knees and picking the heavier dumbbells. You are going to squeeze them tightly. We shall begin the basic squat. You are giving me 10 of these. So you want to begin by squatting down and up, making sure that you are not bending your back forward. Keep it as straight as you can go and making sure that your knees don't go past your toes. Keep pulling in your abs towards the spine. Keep breathing. You're doing great. Just give me 2 more. And 1 more. And get up. So you want to give me that biceps curl. Just keep in position, stand up straight, arms towards the spine, and you're going to begin bringing it up and down, pressing hard onto those dumbbells, up and down, feeling those arm muscles working, the entire body working. Give me 10 of these, up and down. You're doing amazing. Don't give up, don't give in. Just give me 2 more and 1 more and bring it down. So next we are going to combine that squat and biceps curl. Give me 10 of those as well. So you want to squat down, get up and curl. Squat, get up and curl up. Squat up and bring up those arms. Squat up. Squat up. Squat up. Pulling in those abs towards the spine. Keep going. Give me 3 more. Up. Curl it. And squat up. Curl up. Just give me 1 more. Squat. Get up. And curl up. So you want to bring down your dumbbells. We are just going to go into 30 seconds of active rest, just catching our breath and relaxing those muscles. Just give me some shuffles. Keep going, keep breathing. If you need to, grab your drink, water or whatever it is. I have my protein shake over here. Otherwise, just continue giving me those shuffles for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So next you want to grab 1 dumbbell of the heavier pair, and what we want to get into is the lateral lunge. So you want to lunge and bring it back. Lunge and back, holding and squeezing onto the dumbbell, giving me 10 per side. Lunge and back. Keep breathing up towards the spine. Lunge and back. Just give me 2 more. Lunge and back and 1 more. Lunge and back. And we are switching to the other side. Grab and press hard onto the dumbbell. You want to lunge and back. Pulling in those arms towards the spine, feeling your entire body working, feeling all your muscles saying, yeah, bring it on, girl. And back, lunge, and back. You can even do more reps if you want it challenging. Lunge, and back. Keep going. Just give me 2 more. Lunge, and back. 1 more, lunge, and back. So you want to get up, and next you want to give me those arm pull-ups. So you want to bring up the dumbbell, pull up, and bring it down. Come, pull up, and bring it down, squeezing hard onto the dumbbell, feeling your left arm working over there. Give me 10 of these. Pull, and bring it down. Pull, and down, up towards the spine. Pull, and down. And down. I feel the band, guys. And down, I'm actually sweating. Just give me 2 more. Pull, squeeze, and down. Squeeze, and down. And switch to the other hand. So you want to bring up, squeeze, and down. Bring up, squeeze, and down. Give me 10 of these, guys. Squeeze, pulling in your arms towards your spine. Keep breathing. Squeeze and bring it down. Raise up, squeeze, and down. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Don't give up, don't give in. Just give me 2 more. Squeeze and down, 1 more. Squeeze and more. Making sure that you use your muscles with these dumbbells. So we are going to combine that arm pull with the lateral lunge. So what you want to do is to give me lunge, back, and squeeze, and back. Lunge, back, squeeze, and back. Give me 10 of these. Lunge, and back, and squeeze, and back. Pressing hard onto the dumbbell of yours, and squeeze it, and back. Lunge, back. Keep breathing, pulling in those abs towards the spine. Lunge, and back, and squeeze. Lunge, and back, and squeeze. Just give me 3 more, guys. It's okay if we even do more. And squeeze, and give me 1 more. Lunge, and back, and squeeze. Actually, just 1 more, guys. Squeeze, and back, and pull. Sorry about that confusion. And the other leg, you want to lunge, get up, and squeeze, guys. Lunge, and back, and pull it out. Lunge, and back, holding onto the dumbbell tightly and using your muscles to swing around this dumbbell, guys, and bring it up and squeeze it. Go down, get back, and squeeze it out. Get down and back, and squeeze it, guys. Feeling your arms working, your legs are working, guys. Your entire body is working. Keep going. Just give me 2 more, and back, and squeeze it, guys. Lunge, and back, and squeeze. Well done. You want to bring your dumbbell down. We want to get into active rest. Feel free to grab some water, guys. So give me some shuffles. You are giving me 20, actually 30 seconds of these. We are catching our breath. We are relaxing out those muscles and preparing for the next. Guys, our next is going to be down on the mat. So just keep going and giving me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And next you want to grab that mat. Let's meet down on the mat and keep those muscles going. So guys, we are going to begin straight away with the plank row. You want to get your heavier dumbbells, bringing them onto your mat, and hold onto them. If you are a beginner or if this is challenging for you, no problem, you guys will do it while at your knees. Otherwise, get into that plank position, and you want to give me those rows, giving me 10 per side. Keep breathing, pulling in your abs towards the spine. That is 6. Keep going. Bringing your arms up and squeezing up. Keep going, guys. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Just give me one more per side. Squeeze those dumbbells. And one more. And if you like, just an extra. And up. I'm so motivated, guys. So you want to come back down. You want to bring one dumbbell away. Remain with just one heavier dumbbell. We want to get down onto the mat. We are going to do glute bridges with a dumbbell. So you want to pull your arms towards the spine, giving me that pelvic tilt, having a flat back on your mat. And you want to squeeze onto your dumbbell and then come up and down, giving me 10 of these. Come up and down, keep going, come up and down, squeezing onto your dumbbell tightly. Come up and down, up and down, up and down. Keep going, just give me 3 more and 2 more and just 1 more, guys. Squeeze, and when you bring it up there, just press onto your dumbbell, and we are going to hold it right there for 30 seconds. So press onto your dumbbell, squeeze your glutes, push your arms into the mat, keep breathing, and we are having that body work over there. The arms are working, the glutes are working, the legs are working, guys. Keep holding it right there. Keep going. Don't give up. Don't give in. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you want to come down, guys. You want to bring down this heavier dumbbell and grab your lighter dumbbells. We are going to get into that chest press. So you want to have enough space. You want to grab onto those dumbbells. If you like, you can use the heavier ones to get it more challenging. Otherwise, if you're a beginner and it is challenging for you, just keep your legs down. Otherwise, you can bring them on tabletop or even raise them up to the ceiling, and you will begin bringing it up and down, up and down, squeezing onto the dumbbells and down, giving me 15 of those. Up and down, 4 there, up and down, stretching out your legs and down. Feeling that gentle stretch in your legs as well. They are working. Your abdominal muscles are working as well. Keep going. Squeeze and back. Using your arm muscles and chest muscles to bring your dumbbell up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Guys, just give me 2 more. Up and down. Up and down. I know we could have done extra, guys, but it's all okay. So you want to bring those dumbbells up and you want to bring your legs up. We are going to be doing 4 times up, walking those up, guys. So squeeze onto your dumbbells, begin bringing your legs down and back up, giving me 10 of these. Down and up, that is 2. Down and up, that is 3. Pulling in your abs towards the spine. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Just give me 2 more. And 1 more, guys. We are working on that total body, remember, and bring it down, guys. Just bring down all your dumbbells. We are going to get into some stretching. What you want to do is to just bring your legs towards your chest, and you're going to grab them over there and get me some knee hugs. feeling that stretch in your thighs, in your legs, in your glutes, and your hands as well. And you want to keep holding it right there for 30 seconds or as long as you want to hold it, guys. And keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And you want to get down onto your knees and give me that child's pose, stretching out your back, stretching out your hands, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, feeling that good stretch in your entire body, guys. Just continue holding it right there for as long as you want actually, but let's go for 30 seconds. And keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up, guys. You want to sit up straight and you want to give me that arm stretch, and we are stretching this for 15 seconds per side. You can give me some wrist rotations while at it. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and give me the other side. The arms have done such an amazing job today actually, so keep stretching it out right there, giving me some wrist rotations. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get down and give me that side stretch, stretching out your abs and that side of the body. You want to give me 15 seconds of this, so keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, while pulling in those abs towards the spine and the other side. Keep holding, keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it back down. You want to breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. You've done an amazing job. A high five if you've made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me, like how is this fit body challenge going for you over there. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media. Invite them over to come and join us in this fit body challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.